हेलो एवरीवन, फटाफट से एपिसोड 13 स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's see the trim and extend tool. In the modify section, go on the trim tool and cut or remove any unwanted part of objects. All you need to do is drag and trim any line or arc or circles and trim the objects you no longer need. Heading on to the other sample for trim. Just drag and remove or trim the object. Note that there are two different selection windows. First is blue box or window selection, which is created by dragging the mouse from left to right, where only objects completely contained within the box are selected. Second is green box or crossing selection, which is created by dragging the mouse from right to left, where any object touched or enclosed by the green box is selected. Let's show you how Extend tool works. Go to Modify, then first click on to extend, then you can either click on each line to extend them or drag them to extend. Similarly, same with the arc as well. Now if you want to trim, then first click on to trim and erase the unwanted object and done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.